Infinite Mind, The Science of Human Vibrations by Valerie Hunt. Lower vibrations exist with material reality, higher ones with mystical reality, and a full vibrational spectrum with expanded reality. Recognize that the soul's greatness cannot be discovered when strong emotions of anger and fear hide the soul's brilliance. The energy of fear and anger protects our soul and body. Love embellishes both. Your creativity soars exponentially when you wish to use it. Empowering means action, energy, strength, dedication, passion, and caring deeply. During meditation or quiet contemplation, we may have fleeting glimpses of our greatness, which we immediately forgot. Your life destiny is the highest goal of life: to consciously discover, embrace, and manifest the purity and greatness of you for yourself, others, and the world. When you empower yourself, you are your best guru. Recognition that your thought can influence distant happenings of the health and the happiness of others, and the skills to improve tragic happenings. This book was published in 2000, but the research is based upon dates back to the 1970s. This book is a classic in the field of human energy fields or bioenergetic. The body has an electromagnetic field. The auras that can be seen physically are actually seeing the different fields emanating from the chakras. If a human is cut off from the electromagnetic field of the earth, they become incoherent. This book gives scientific explanations of mystical teaching. This book tells us that our minds are the most powerful tool in the entire universe. Regarding emotions, she said, emotions carry the essence of our unique and collective consciousness, which suggests that human emotion is the organizer of energy fields.